Rapid Set NewCrete is a high-performance polymer-modified mortar used to resurface worn, old, or spalled concrete. To use NewCrete, please consult the datasheet for exact product use instructions. First, prepare the area so that it's clean, sound, and free from any materials that may inhibit bond, such as oil, asphalt, curing compound, acid, dirt, and loose debris. Roughen surface and remove all unsound material. Mix using 2.5 to 3 quarts of water per 25-pound box. Add water into a mixing container. Then add NewCrete while mixing for 2 to 3 minutes to achieve a lump-free, uniform consistency. Do not retemper. Apply to a thoroughly saturated surface with a minimum temperature of 50 degrees Fahrenheit with no standing water. Place quickly by troweling, floating, or broom finishing. Wet curing is not required in most applications. Rapid Set NewCrete gives concrete a new look and can receive foot traffic in 2 to 3 hours. For more information, visit ctscement.com or call 800-929-3030.